Our main update ay magkasama ang mag-asawang May Mendoza at Ardo Ataide sa renewal of vows ni Bossing Vic Soto at ni Pauline Luna kasama ang mga Dover Cuts. Ayun pa nga yung group picture nila, oh. Yung kompleto yung mga Dover Cuts. And congrats. And kila Bossing at Pauline Luna. Ayun pa nga si May at Ardo with and si Father Jeff. Ang kulit pa nga ni May doon sa likod nila Oyo Boy at ni Christian Hermoso, you know. Peace daw. Ito yung video. And happy 10 wedding anniversary kila Bossing at Pauline, you know. Si Father Jeff. And pang-post ng TVJ sa Seal with a kiss, Bossing and Pauline, a renewal of vows. Happy wedding anniversary, Bossing and Pauline. Yan, yan masaya. Na Bossing at Pauline, yan o. Yan pakasama mga Dover Cuts. Ryan Agoncillo, Juday, at Family Soto, yan o. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard the Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.